and welcome to Colesy's Corner. Today I've got the beautiful Ava. Can you wave, Ava? Hello. And we're outside for a special marine life under the sea Colesy's Corner edition. Ava's so excited, and we're going to make a sensory underwater experience. We're so excited.
Ready?
So we've got all these amazing marine animals. And hi everyone, this is Bec. Hi. What you're going to do, you're going to need a bit of a big tray and some marine animals. And then look at our beautiful blue tarp that we have for under the sea. Yeah. And I'd like to thank the prep team at Parktone for letting us have all this fun stuff to play with. Thank you guys. Okay, now you're going to need Bicarb Soda. And on the tray, so it doesn't have to be a circle tray, it can just be a big rectangle tray or a square tray. This is going to be a bit of a science experiment too. So you're going to put the fantastic Bicarb Soda on the tray like that, okay? And then you're going to get your food dye, your blue food dye, okay? Because we're going to try and create the sea. Now, just be careful, kids, and make sure an adult uses this to help, okay? Because you don't want to get food dye all over yourself.
No.
So just put enough in, you know, a few droplets here and there. Not too much. Just want to make a nice light blue sea, okay? There we go. Don't touch that, my darling. Where is the coral? Hey! Where is oh, it's a lion seal.
Oh, sweetie.
Wow, it's a whale. That's so fun. Do you guys have some marine creatures that you could do this with? So with the water, you're going to pour the water around, okay, and you're going to make the sea. Now make sure an adult helps you. Ava, look!
Wow.
Look at what we're doing. Okay, and you want to have enough water so that you can still see the Bicarb Soda at the bottom. Now, the part where this is a science experiment, everybody, is you're going to get some vinegar and put it in a spray bottle, or you could get a syringe and put some vinegar in a syringe, and that will practice. That will get really fun because then you can squirt the vinegar in. But let's see what happens when we squirt the vinegar in.
Yeah.
Can you say, oh my goodness? Oh my goodness. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's reacting.
Wow, look,
The
sweetie.
vinegar is making the Bicarb Soda explode a little bit.
Wow.
And it's making little cool explosions. It's like foam. Oh, it's like foam coming out.
Wow.
That's so cool. Okay, and then let's try it with the syringe. You get some vinegar with the syringe. Oh!
Wow.
And same thing, everybody. It's just another way we can practice getting the vinegar right through to the Bicarb Soda. And this is good for our fine motor skills, everyone. Practicing using a syringe with two hands. It's really good practice. And we're going to go like this, Ava. Squirt. Oh! Did you see that? Now I think a syringe actually worked even better. Wow! A syringe worked even better than the spray bottle because the syringe, the vinegar gets right into the Bicarb Soda.
Yeah.
We could put lots of, things into our sea. Like pebbles.
Wow.
Or I'm going to start to put some coral in our sea. Like that. And then some more coral. And then some more coral. Should you put an animal in? Yeah! Go, Ava! Oh my goodness, look at this squid, everybody. That is so cool. Oh, uh-oh. But do you know what? Ava, you can help me do this. Ready? You touch this. Okay, and ready? 1, 2, 3, squirt. Yay! Can you say hello to the stingray? Yay! Put it in the ocean. And the whale. And you can be here for a long time creating
you
your...
put the seal in?
Oh! So we're going to be here for a long time playing with our under the sea creatures. And I'm so happy you came on. Can you hold my hand? Thank you. You say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching Colesy's Corner.
Bye, Sydney.
We hope you enjoyed this
Bye.
special
Bye.
marine edition. Under the sea.
Wow.
Under the sea.
See.
Under the sea. All right, thanks for watching.
Bye.